Article 300.13 B of the National Electrical Code states that in multiwire branch circuits, the continuity of a grounded conductor shall not depend on device connections such as lamp holders, receptacles, and so forth, where the removal of such devices would interrupt the continuity. This code requirement means that the grounded or neutral conductor in a multiwire branch circuit, commonly referred to as MWBC, must be continuous throughout the circuit, and its continuity cannot rely solely on device connections like stab locks or screws on a receptacle. In a MWBC, two or more current carrying conductors, which are the hots, and a single grounded conductor, the neutral, are used to provide power to multiple circuits. If the neutral conductor is interrupted at any point in the circuit, it can create a dangerous condition known as an open neutral. An open neutral can cause several problems. Firstly, overvoltage on the affected circuit. Secondly, loss of power to some or all of the circuits on the MWBC. And thirdly, electrical shock hazard. By requiring the grounded conductor to be continuous and independent of device connections, the NEC helps to prevent open neutral conditions and ensure the safety of electrical systems. They comply with Article 300.13 B. When wiring a receptacle on an MWBC, it is recommended to use one of the following methods. Firstly, pigtailing. Connect the grounded conductor to the receptacle using a short piece of wire, called a pigtail, and a wire nut. Secondly, the wraparound method. Wrap the grounded conductor around the terminal screw on the receptacle and tighten it down. This creates a secure and continuous connection. There are some exceptions to the requirement for continuous grounded conductors in MWBCs. These exceptions include firstly, ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs. GFCIs are designed to detect imbalances in the current flow between the hot and neutral conductors and trip the circuit if a fault is detected. This allows the use of backstabbed or screw-type connections on receptacles protected by GFCIs. Secondly, certain types of devices. Some devices, such as arc fault circuit interrupters of size, require the use of specific wiring methods, which may not require pigtailing or wraparound connections. It is important to always follow the manufacturer's instructions for these devices.